soft washing pressure cleaners YouTubers, let's talk about our Tsunami. This is our large skid, and I'll go out on a limb and say it's probably one of the most powerful units here in Oz today. Honda P40 configuration, but what makes this different and stand out? So we're running 1-inch valves, a fully proportioned metering system from Midwest. So the 1-inch valves just allow this thirsty beast to breathe. But we don't need to run it at max. If you wanted to reduce your chemical usage or reduce the revs, that'll reduce draw, and that can all be governed by RPM and then your percentage mixture calibrations on your metering valves. So we call it a comfort pack on this particular system. So it is key start. We have our 50-meter Summit hose reel. So this hose is made especially for us at Blue Tongue Industries. So it is 350 psi working pressure, because this Honda P40 configuration operates at about 290 psi, and on a hot day we need tolerances to be able to look after you, the operator. So 350 psi working pressure with a 16mm diameter to allow this thing to breathe at nearly 40 litres a minute, which is 10 gallons a minute. Added extras are our remote flush system. Because this thing will technically remove the ability of a pressure cleaner for carrying out a rinse, the remote flush, by just activating the remote control, will flick between a chemical application and a water rinse. 70 to 80 metres behind the back of a building, this remote flush unit will allow you to save time. Your time is your money, and enable you to carry out that job a lot more quicker and a lot more efficiently. So on that flush valve we have our single soap valve. So this particular system only has one soap tank. We can add a second soap tank. We have one soap tank which is under remote, and our remote flush valve. So that flush valve, as I've stated previously in other videos, pulls water and SH and then directs either water or SH to the chemical valve on the proportion system by Midwest. So enabling you to select between water or SH into your chem valve will allow you to do that rinse remotely without going back and flicking a manual bypass valve. So into the soap tank, we're just going to prep that. We're just going to add 1.5 litres of our house wash. So 18 litres of water, 1.5 litres. If need be, this, being a fully proportioned system as well, if need be and you want extra vertical hold, extra dwell time, you can add 1 litre, 2 litres of sticky blue to your soap tank to get that SH to stick. A little bit windy. Weather's not always perfect, as people do think with us here in Melbourne. So we've just injected the soap through the remote. You need to allocate flow time. So with 50 metres of hose, it does take time for your chemicals to flow through. So you need to be aware and add that into your equation when you are carrying out your rinse or coming to the end of a building to allow that flow time. So we can then go to off on the remote control, and if you can see from the light, even from standing at this distance, we're off now. Let's see how long it takes for the soap to clear. So 40 litres a minute. 9 metres. Really does pack a punch. The P40 with 1-inch valves. You can see just the impact that that does have. So let's recap on the chemicals here from Blue Tongue Industries. The True Blue neutraliser on the answer. How do you neutralise to remove the effect of SH? So what we advise is pre-wet the area. So if there's lawns and plants, foliage, pre-wet those, carry out your house and building wash, do a rinse, a water rinse, then mix up your True Blue as per the directions seen on the container. So depending on whether your batch mixing proportioned alike, spray that, allow that to dwell. If you really want it to be on ball, then rinse that True Blue neutraliser off after about 15-20 minutes, and that will alleviate the effect of your SH up to about a 3 to 40% mix. Kick-Ass Hellfire, probably one of the strongest on the market here in Australia. It is caustic, so if you're removing oil from concrete, it's going to be your #1 go-to. True Blue, non-caustic degreaser. So if you're working around materials that could be affected, the True Blue, if you're doing restaurants, you can spray everything with True Blue as per the concentration required and use that as a heavy duty non-caustic degreaser. Petrol stations alike, that'll be a go-to product. Your house wash, building exterior house wash. We've mixed the house wash today, 18 litres in our proportioned system of water, 1.5 litres of house wash. If you needed to, you could add your sticky blue for that extra hold, or if you're doing roofs, the house wash will really make your paint pop. We've added in our Squeegee Max, so if you're doing traditional window cleaning, an absolute game changer of soaps. It's going to give you maximum glide, and it's got an awesome fragrance to make that room smell fresh after you've cleaned the internal windows. Our Magic Masking Bubblegum, and if you're using SH, I've had customers tell me 5.5% mix and they can't smell the SH. So if you're working in areas that you know, people are tolerant to smell, or not tolerant to smell, probably more appropriate, the Masking Magic will help you. So all these chemicals can be seen at bluetongueindustries.com.au. Jump online, you can order today with the Australia Dispatch. So Honda P40 configuration with our 1-inch valves. Absolute beast of a machine. Check out all our other genres on YouTube under Blue Tongue Industries. If you've liked this video, please do give us a thumbs up. There's quite a number of other videos discussing all our other SoftWash equipment, so you can see those all on YouTube. On our website there's an amplitude of parts, accessories, everything to do with SoftWash, pressure cleaning, window cleaning, gutter cleaning, and a few other genres, solar panel cleaning. So, but I wanted to show you this today because to me, there's nothing else like it on the market currently as we speak. This is the Tsunami from Blue Tongue Industries, a beast of a machine that'll change the way you work. bluetongueindustries.com.au. Thanks for watching.